Welcome back. A high-level panel would assess reasons behind pollution on Goa coast and formulate a redressal plan. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar informed the decision to the Rajya Sabha in reply to a calling attention from Goa MP on Tuesday. Javadekar said his government will also find out whether pollution, especially through tar balls, was created by an ulterior design. The committee will meet this month.
Union Environment Minister has said that the government is serious on protecting the ecology of its beaches and not only Goa but across the country. Rajya Sabha MP Shantaram Naik had raised a calling attention on pollution on sea beaches in Goa. A high-level committee comprising representatives from Coast Guard, Shipping Directorate, National Environment Engineering Research Institute, Pollution Control Board and Goa government will meet this month to assess reasons behind pollution on Goa beaches and prepare a roadmap for its redressal. MP Shantaram Naik had expressed apprehensions whether this pollution was created at Goa beaches by countries which wanted to destroy tourism here. He also said some of these NGOs are involved in anti-national activities and demanded an action against passing vessels from Goa beaches which releases effluents and oil in the water, turning the beaches black and unfit for tourists. Image of the Goan beaches is being tarnished among international tourists. Minister Javadekar said government will find out whether pollution, especially through tar balls, was created by an ulterior design, adding that the matter of tar ball deposition along beaches in Goa is being looked into by the High Court, which has also directed the DG Shipping to examine the matter. Coast Guard ships and aircrafts are regularly deployed for surveillance and monitoring of the maritime zones of India, including EEZ off the coast of Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent.
DYSP from Jharkhand is fighting hard for justice against Goa police. Chandrabhushan has alleged that his son Abhishek Kumar was beaten to death by the bouncers of LPK Water Club, but Porvorim police botched up the case. Chandrabhushan has already sent a legal notice to the concerned PI, DYSP and SP to book the culprits, however high profile they may be. Chandrabhushan has given 30 days time to related police officers to act, otherwise he will approach the High Court.
DYSP Chandrabhushan from Jharkhand has alleged that LPK waterfront bouncers thrashed his son to death. Abhishek Kumar, son of DYSP Chandrabhushan, had visited LPK waterfront club on the intervening night of 11th and 12th October with some of his friends, but next day he was found unconscious, injured. What happened in LPK waterfront on 11th October night is still a mystery. Police said that Abhishek died due to drowning in LPK club's pond.
पॉन्ड इतना जाली से घिरा हुआ कि आप भी लोग भी एलपी के क्लब गए होंगे तो देखे होंगे वो जाली से, मजबूत जाली से घिरा हुआ है, कोई जंप भी नहीं कर सकता। पीने के बाद तो और भी कोई नहीं जंप करेगा। उसको मारा गया है, क्लब के उस मेन गेट से मारते हुए दौड़ाया गया है और उस जाली पर पटक करके पीछे से।
Chandrabhushan has challenged this claim. Chandrabhushan has alleged that his son's mobile was robbed by LPK club employee. Chandrabhushan has asked for verification of call details and action against culprits involved.
एक सब इंस्पेक्टर से लेकर एसपी हमको वार्न कर रही है कि आपको जिस एक्सटेंट तक जाना है जाओ, मैं देख लूंगी। अरे ये नॉनसेंस। वो कह रही है कि हार्ड डिस्क मैंने सीसीटीवी का भेजा है। जब सीसीटीवी जब्त करना था, उसको देखना था तो आप देखे नहीं, तो हार्ड डिस्क देने से क्या अंतर पड़ेगा साहब? उससे क्या निकलेगा? वो तो 20 डेज के बाद अपने आप डिलीट हो जाता है। सीडीआर कह रहे हो कि आ ही नहीं रहा है, सीडीआर मेरे पास अवेलेबल है, मैंने कॉपी दी है इनको। आप क्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर रहे हो? लेम माने कहानी बना रहे हो, कभी सुसाइडल का बना रहे हो, कभी एक्सीडेंटल नेग्लिजेंस का बना रहे हो। ये क्लियर कट मर्डर है।
Chandrabhushan is demanded from Goa government to hand over the investigation to either CBI or to the crime branch.
We have given enough time. We have 30 days to take a decision in the matter. We will wait. We have full faith in the government. We have full faith in the Home Minister. We have marked a copy of this to them, and we hope that an action will come in the matter.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
The parents of students of Fatima High School in Rivon have given 48 hours deadline to the school management to either shift the HIV positive students or divide them in other schools in Rivon. They have threatened of agitation by Friday if their demands are not fulfilled. Deputy Collector of Kepe Ajit Panchwadkar says school management claims the students are not HIV positive. AIDS Control Society, which is supposed to enlighten the society on this issue, have developed cold feet on this issue and shockingly were not ready to comment on camera.
Management on 2 दिस स्कूल तांकां रिटेस्ट करपाक लागून आपणाक 2 दीस दी म्हूण सांगलें.
तो पर्यंत
आमी भुरग्यांक धाडपाना. फ्रायडे कितें फैसला जातलो.
आनी मागीर
ना जाल्यार आमी पेरंट टिचर एसोसिएशन एक जावन आमी कितें ठरयतले कितें करपाचें.
तुमगे मिटींग सेपरेट मिटींग जाल्या तुमगे
ना जालें ना. आमचें फ्रायडे कितें ठरतलें.
ती मिटींग हें जातकीर मागीर तुमी
आमी डिसिजन घेतलें.
आमगे डिमांड कितें आतां जंय पळय जी सिस्टर पळय तांकां पयलीं शिकयताली थंयच शिकोवपाक तांकां जर तांकां फंड ना जाल्यार तातूंत आमी पेरंट्सांनी दिता म्हणलो जर तांकां फंड्स तांकां पावना बी जाल्यार आमी तांकां दिता म्हणलो पूण ती म्हणपाक सिस्टर म्हणपाक तांकां फंडाक प्रॉब्लेम ना. आनी हातूंत कितें जालां हे वखद आमगेले फादर तो कोण आमगे मॅनेजमेंट आसा तेंचे भितर हे आनी सिस्टरी भितर दोगांचे भितर हें डिस्कशन जालां आनी त्या भुरग्यांक मिस्कलां घालां इवन आमकां PTA मेंबर आसा तांकां देखून कांय कॉन्फिडन्स घेवना.
Deputy Collector says parents should not be apprehensive as school management claims that the 23 students are not HIV positive.
So this issue basically the demand is of shifting the children from this. I don't think it is a reasonable one, mainly because the institute which is sheltering them right now, the authorities from that institute says that these 23 students do not have AIDS at all. So if that is the case, I don't think there is any reason or a cause for the parents to have any apprehension about these students and any reason to agitate.
Parents met the management of the school on Tuesday and gave 48 hours deadline to decide fate of the students. Parents will decide their future course of action on Friday. AIDS Control Society is the agency which creates awareness in society regarding the concepts and misconception on AIDS and HIV cases. A reporter contacted the authorities on AIDS Control Society to get its version on Rivona students' case. However, none of the authorities were ready to speak on camera to clear the concept and misconception on this issue. Reporter Mayur Naik and video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.